Okay, let's start numerical 3.3. So you can see there we have a shell which is moving with the initial velocity of v0, and after explosion it's split into three pieces. v1, v2 and v3 is the velocities of three pieces. So v1, which is exactly equal to the initial velocity, which is vo, and v2 and v3 having same magnitude but opposite in direction. You can see there. Okay, so you can say that they're forming with right angle with this x-axis. Okay, now first we have to consider the total mass, which is the average of three masses, which is exactly equals to mass over 3. Okay, so before explosion the initial velocity, which is equals to vo, which is in vector form, and after explosion the force velocity of force piece, which is equals to this initial velocity, which is vo. Okay, and v2 and v3 both are in equal magnitude but opposite in direction, so they have same values. Now we have to consider the law of conservation of momentum. By using, you can put the values. This is the initial momentum and this is the value of final momentum. Okay, now you can see there v1 is exactly equal to the initial velocity. Okay, so v1 can be written in the form of v0. Okay, so v2 and v3 are remain same. Further you can see, now take the common m over 3 and cancel the same terms. You will get these equation. Now arrange the terms, subtract the value, you will get the 2v0 square, 2v0 vector in vector form. Okay, so further you can see both are in same, so you have to consider it individually, equate this value with 2v0. Okay, so this is the values. Now you have to take the magnitude of these unit vectors. Okay, now take the magnitude, you will get these. This is the formula for actually in order to calculate the magnitude. Okay, so first you have to consider the need to name them. Okay, first you have to name them, and this is v2, which is the value for the x-axis along. Okay, and v3, which have value which is along actually the y-axis. So this is the x value and this is the y term. Okay, now you know very well that the vector can be changed into angle. So when we change into angle along x-axis we have cos theta, and along y we have sine theta. So we put the value and this is the simplest answer, and this is the diagram you see, and this is all about from my side. Thank you.